Hello, here I have with me what looks like a stuffed animal, a novelty item. And now the reason why I emphasize that it's a novelty item is because it may just look like a regular, stuffed animal, but this is specifically like a type from Disney, It's called, well, I'm not even sure how to pronounce it honestly, but it's called like Ufufi Disney. As you can see right here, it says originally created by Disney Store Japan, and it comes with a super cute tag. It's like, you can notice it's a cloud, and the letter is a cloud. It's really cute. Soft colors right there. There you go. Now, what Ufufi basically is it's sort of like a line of the specific type of former Disney character. You can say that you released originally in Japan and is like now, I don't know how long they've been in the US or other places, but I do know that it started and originated in, first released and originated in the Japan Disney stores. But it wasn't even this item. It was actually a palm-sized one of these. Like, this is my palm, and the original one was literally like the size of my palm. It was, I believe, like 12 centimeters by 10 centimeters. It was so small. It was supposed to just be a little plush toy, and you can see now it's something else. I never purchased one of the smaller ones. I'm not even sure I've seen them. I've only seen these big ones, and I will explain to you how, like, I found it and everything, and what I love about it. And so, like I mentioned, the tag, it's a cloud, and basically Disney kind of wants this whole, like, it was born or came from clouds theme. I think it, like, in quotations, like a description would say born from clouds, like meaning coming from clouds or made from clouds, if that makes sense. Explains why it's so soft and fluffy. Now, as you can see, the texture, it's very, it's like fuzzy, but very plushy too. And all the like details are embroidered. For example, the little, I'm so sorry, I forgot to tell you what character this is, and this is a Dumbo. I do not know if you guys are familiar with that movie. Dumbo is basically one of the oldest movies. I know they are coming out with a new one very soon. No, I don't know how soon, but they are coming out with a new one, remake. But this is such an old movie. Basically, it's supposed to be this elephant character who kind of, has it rough because of his big ears and stuff. On this one, they didn't really emphasize the ears, but I also have a regular Disney, like, plush of Dumbo, and he has humongous ears, and that's sort of like his character, this cute little guy. The overly sized ears. And a lot of the reason why I got confused is because a lot of people believe it's a girl and stuff, the lashes and like the bow and stuff like that, but it does have a hat, but it's actually a him, Dumbo, that's his name. And this is like, elephants from circus. That's sort of where the movie takes place around, which explains to this like embroidered circus type of skirt, around it. I love the details that they put into, like, the little blush right here, the cute lashes, the eyes are adorable, the elephant nose, the ears, like I mentioned, the skirt, you have the tail, you have his legs, and the cute yellow hat. Most of these details are very well known if you are familiar with the movie. If not, I kind of just gave you a rundown. And I believe originally they came out with 12 characters, and now they have so many other characters. No, they originally came out with 16, sorry. And now they have a lot more because he was one of the original ones that got, made into this bigger one. I bought this, I want to say, like 4 months ago, and it's, it's totally fine. Doesn't get dirty really easily, like, it's very, like, easy to maintain and everything like that. And now, I know I usually get a question if it's like this Disney line that's like Tsum, like Tsum or something like that. It's basically, it kind of has like a Disney character and like, more adorable or more like, kiddish look. I don't know really how to explain it. More soft look, like just emphasize like cute characteristics or anything like that, but that's another kind. And what about those other ones, they kind of are laid down. So for example, Dumbo would be like that on his tummy, and what's different about this is this one can actually sit up, and that's what kind of makes it more different than, like, you know, the Tsums. Like I mentioned, they are completely different. A lot of people think and mistake them for being similar, you know. And so yeah, I just want to get that out of the way. So if you aren't familiar with those either, you might want to check those out if you like this one, because I think it's also very cute, you know. I just never really got into looking one. Now the reason why I got this is because I felt like it was a cute little pillow, you know, and that's what I kind of been using it as. Like I said, I mentioned it was a novelty item because, you know, technically stuffed animals fall under that category, and they're just used, and people use them as decor gifts, or gifts, and I've used it like a little pillow. And because the size of it, I also travel with it, and I think it's a great travel item. I know a lot of people have those neck ones, but this is adorable, whether it's for you or your kids. Also an awesome gift for, you know, any ages. Like I said, this is such an old movie. Older people may be familiar with it, like myself, or a kid. I think it's for a boy or a girl, you know. Super cute. This isn't in height. This is like 12 inches, just so you guys can kind of get an idea of the height. It has sort of like an egg shape. It's not really circular because, like I said, it stands out, but it's also not like squarish. It's like a really cute egg circle that gives it like this adorable kind of look. And well, like I would definitely recommend getting this as a gift or for yourself, because I just think it has cute use, you know, whether it's a pillow or you just want to have it, you like it, or you actually like the movie. I think it's an awesome Disney product. And well, I hope you guys got to know what this is. Thank you for watching.